Hi guys, you're watching TNT Tutorials, and today you'll learn 5 ways to pick color for your illustrations in Adobe Illustrator. In case if you're inspired with the colors from some picture or a photo, just place this picture to your workspace. Notice that you can place a few pictures at once. Create a few small rectangles or ellipses. Select shapes one by one, and get colors from the pictures with the eyedropper tool. After you'll finish, select your colors and click here to create a new color group. Rename it as you want or simply assign a number. Choose Selected Artwork, check this option and click OK. Another good way to find colors, click on Window and select Color Themes. Hit Explore and search for palettes that you like. You can add palettes that you like to your swatches on a fly. Just open this little menu and select Add to Swatches. If you want to change some colors in the palette that you like, choose Edit this theme. Play with colors and add them to your swatches. You can save your swatches in this menu. Select this option, and when you'll need your swatches, click on Open Swatch Library, Other Library, and find path to your saved swatches. Make your illustration in grayscale or monochrome. This will allow you not to think about color combination and create illustration much faster. You should use up to 6 or 8 grayscales. This will make further adjustments much easier. Press Shift plus O, select Artboard, hold Alt or Option key plus Shift, and make a copy. You can make as many copies as you want. Now we will try out different palettes to choose one. Let's begin with this artboard. Select all shapes here. Click on Edit, Edit Colors, Recolor Artwork. Now you can choose how many colors to adjust. I recommend you to try out all combinations from 2 to 5. Sometimes you'll be surprised with some great unexpected combinations. Let's select 2 colors for now and pick a few different palettes to see what we can get. Just click on Palettes, and then click here to randomly change color order. Click OK after you like some color combination. Select shapes in the next artboard and do the same, but this time choose 3 colors here. In next cases, apply 4 and 5 colors also, and then decide what color combination will work for you the best. Previous tips are great, but they are not enough. You always should remember about the contrast when you're applying colors. It should be strong enough to highlight the main shapes. After you apply colors just as we already did, click on View, Proof Setup, Customize. And select this option, Gray Gamma 2.2. Click OK. Now analyze your combinations. You should pick illustrations where the main objects are the easiest to read. To switch between view modes, click on View and uncheck Proof Colors. Check Proof Colors again when you need to analyze contrast again. After you'll choose the best combination, you can delete all unneeded samples. Press Shift plus O and delete artboards also. You don't need to leave all colors as they are. To pick and change some color group in one click, press Y for Magic Wand, press Enter, check Fill Color, and decrease tolerance to 0. You'll need to apply this adjustment only once. Close this menu and click on any color that you want to change. Here you go. You can group these colors if you don't want to pick the magic wand again. When you need to slightly change color, go to Colors panel and open this little menu. Select HSB and use sliders to adjust hue, saturation and brightness. I personally use HSB mode to adjust only saturation and brightness. If you learned something new from this tutorial, drop a comment below, let me know if everything was clear enough for you and what you liked about this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, support this channel by clicking on subscribe, and what's most important, by clicking on the bell icon to get notifications about newest tutorials from TNT. I'd also appreciate if you'll click thumbs up and will share this video. This was TNT Tutorials, see you in next videos!